I'm just doing a quick video. This is my new case, my new motherboard. This is a Corsair 750D. Just there. FX. Oh my god, you ain't gonna be able to see that. Well, that is an FX 93570. Pretty sick. Get my liquid cooling kit tomorrow, which is a Corsair 110. That's got 208mm radiator and that. Sick. What's this coming to now? 1000 watt. Gold rated power supply. Corsair. Old RAM. Corsair Vengeance Pro, the red stuff. It's 2400 megahertz. I'm gonna wait for my graphics card for a bit longer. I'm gonna get the best of the best. So